When operating in a floodwater rescue environment, there are many methods a team can use to effectively, efficiently, and safely perform a sweep of the underwater environment. Line astern, breast astern, wedge, and diamond are just some of the floodwater rescue wading methods used. The environment, available personnel, and the water flow will dictate the method. Practice these skills in a safe setting outside of the water so you can improve your efficiency with your sweeping patterns and your walking methods. Visit us on the web at nrrinstitute.org.